and I live in Caldwell, Idaho. We have an 11-year-old. His name is Avon, and he's a 6th grader. Currently loves art and Legos and coding. We also have an 8-year-old, Calvin. He is in 3rd grade now, and he loves anything pink and purple and unicorns, construction vehicles, and he's playing soccer currently. We actually have found out that Calvin has some challenges that make reading a little bit harder. He has ADHD and dyslexia and autism. And so in the midst of all of this, like we got these diagnoses about a year ago. And so we've just been working really hard to try and help him, because he just is so frustrated because he wants to do the things, but it's tricky for him. And some days are harder than others. If he's really fatigued, it's a lot harder, and we kind of have this saying, oh, it's okay, it's just your brain being tricky. And so he'll be like, my tricky brain. But we just have really, if he wants a book, we just, okay, throw it in the shopping cart. Okay, we've audiobooks, gameplay for reading, all of it's really helped. He does better if it's fun, and that's what I love about Osmo, is the games are fun. So we were actually asked to participate in an alpha testing, and it just happened to be like this book and this stick wooden wand that came in the mail. And so back then it was really difficult for Calvin to read, and he was kind of the target age group they were looking for that testing. So it was a little frustrating. And then we finished that and we just didn't hear anything, and I'm waiting and waiting for this to come out, because I'm like, come on, they've got to develop this. A little dog Oliver in the game, he was being encouraging, because Calvin was like taking a lot of time to try and start reading, and Oliver's like, go ahead and give it a try. I won't judge you, I'm just a dog. And then Calvin thought that was like the greatest thing and the most funny thing, and it just got him to give it a try and keep reading. And then like for the next week he was like jumping around the house. I won't judge you, I'm just a dog. Arf, 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 arf.
Won't judge you, I'm just a dog. I won't judge you, I'm just a frog. I mean a dog.
With Reading Adventure, we would set goals for him, like catch so many dream pets, and then you're done with your reading for today. So I think we would choose about 3 reading pets for him to, dream pets to catch. And then, so that has actually, between playing the game and goal setting personally for the game, it's encouraged him to set goals for reading books outside. So he's finished his 10th chapter book, like early chapter books that are about 90 pages a piece and 16 chapters. So he finished that entire series, and he's started a new one. So we're working on chapter book number 11, and he's also just will pick books off of our shelves and just read. Last night he was reading to us, and he was like, does this make me look older because I'm reading to you like you're my children? He's just such a character about it.